Of course, now she's going to be known as the Chamma Chamma girl, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Ellie Avram. To join them on stage, I would request the Group CEO of Prakasha Productions, Mr. Sunil Agarwal. Of course, another producer I would like to invite on stage on the film, Disha Jha. Kya baat hai? And of course, now next, also one of our producers. Okay. And I would call him, you know, the guy who would take the call, uska naam Bhola hota tha. I am not kidding. I'm not kidding. And I was told that Bhola is his manager. So now, Arshad, please, is this a real life story? Is this based on real events के भोला नाम का आपका जो मैनेजर था उसकी 12 बीवियां थी and he was the fraud?
I think the fraud part is right. बाकी नहीं, but yeah, of course उसका नाम भोला है. Unfortunately लोगों ने मेरा भी नाम रख दिया उसमें, which I was not very happy about, but क्या करें, मजबूरी है.
ये आपने करेक्ट नहीं किया?
हाँ.
ये बताया नहीं कि यार नहीं भोला नहीं यार, कोई और रख लो.
नहीं, I think ये चाहते थे कि मैं तकलीफ में पूरी पिक्चर करूँ. तो यही था. So anyway, हाँ, मेरे मैनेजर, एक्स मैनेजर का नाम भोला था और किसी एंगल से वो भोला नहीं था. वो भी सिमिलैरिटी है.
Arshad, we were just talking outside. You are trending everywhere for the minute of your performance in the other song, Aankh Mare, and now Fraud Saiya. Like, ये जो sudden boom आया ना sir.
I got inspired by Ellie. I saw her dancing. I said, I got to do it well.
Is it really difficult to match steps with somebody who's as brilliant at dancing as Ellie?
100%. It's very difficult.
Yeah?
Yeah. Of course, she's tremendous. She's very, very good. She's not. It's.
Wait. Ellie wants to add something. Can we have another microphone, please? Ji.
You know, being a dancer is one thing, and being exceptionally good is another thing, which is what she is.
Arshad बहुत अच्छा dancer है, seriously.
Arshad used, of course, we know that. Arshad
And
used
on
to
the
dance for a living, if I'm not wrong.
I just lack the hot body. That's it.
वो बस ऐसी आई है वहाँ set पर. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, दिखाओ steps क्या है. अच्छा ये करना. अच्छा चलो ठीक है. मतलब he just learned it there and then.
Arshad happy that
मैं जो कर रहा था वो देखा आपने कितना आसान था.
ये बस ये एक और सवाल अर्शद के लिए कि happy that you know like आपके साथ में it's not Tushar, Shreyas but Ellie Avram this time.
I know. I'm very happy it is her. Thank God.
All right, Ellie, I'll come to you now. It's a very, very iconic song. It was picturized on Urmila Matondkar, and ये हमेशा होता है. You take any film or any song that is recreated, people automatically get nostalgic about the original. लोग याद आते हैं. Like Dawn में हमेशा like शाहरुख खान को compare किया जाता था with Mr. Bachchan's role. Now the comparison will be with you, Haslo, and Urmila Matondkar. Did that ever play on your head?
I mean, मेरे हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि ये सब iconic गाने जो है, they will always be like the original iconic गाना. It's like such a what do you say? It's a very nostalgic thing. So जो हम कर रहे हैं ना, हम ये सब गाने recreate कर रहे हैं in a very new, youthful way. So it will always be different, and it can never be as per the original. Did
you watch the original a lot of times? You did?
हाँ
वो होता है? या आपको बोला क्या सुनो original मत देखना because
and it's amazing. Like mashallah, she's so amazing. So obviously जब मैंने हाँ बोला, I said हाँ because of excitement, and it's like it's a very big thing to get to do such a iconic song, as in to get to be a part of the recreation of it. But चलो ठीक है, ये comparison ये जो होगा, it's like one should just see it as a new fresh style of that song. और actually मुझे भी ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे आपने भी बोला कि ये सब गाने हैं ना, और हम सबको बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं ये सब गाने, लेकिन जब आप गाड़ी में बैठे हो ना और आप रेडियो ऑन करते हो ना, तो ऐसा तो थोड़ी सी है कि आप वो वहाँ पे प्ले कर रहे हो ये सब पुराने. So it's like you actually, by doing this, you actually bring them back, and they are actually getting played there on the radio. So मुझे लगता है कि सबको ये अच्छा लगता है to get to hear the songs again, but in a new flavor.
Sunil sir, my next question is to you, and I'm going to play the devil's advocate क्योंकि मैं रेडियो पे रोज म्यूजिक जो है वो प्ले कर रहा हूँ जी. तो सर अब ना ये जो लास्ट 3-4 साल हैं, बहुत गाने जो जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था बड़ी शरारत करता था, वो जो गाने मैं उस टाइम पे सुन रहा था, दे आर मेकिंग अ कमबैक, राइट? अभी वी स्पोक अबाउट आंख मारे ऑल्सो, विच अरशद फीचर्स इन. ये गाना जो है, I'm sure that of the many songs that you could have chosen, there must be a specific reason why you chose Chamma Chamma instead of any other song.
It's simple answer. It's because it is Chamma Chamma. You know, everybody is talking about it now on the stage as well. It's an iconic song, and most particularly, this is going well with our scheme of storyline of the film, and it sets very well for the film. And I'm really thankful to Tips. And Kumarji, unfortunately, could not be here on today, but very thankful to him to be part of our film. And Arshad and Ali has done a fantastic task in this, and I'm sure we all are going to rock on the Chamma Chamma. So it's very obvious reason that Chamma Chamma has to be part of our film.
I just want to see Ali dance.
Yeah.
Disha, don't look so nervous. You're the producer. So my question is that your dad, right, and Prakash Jha Productions, you guys have produced some really amazing films, high on content. For example, I mean, Arakshan, Satyagraha, Rajniti, Lipstick Under My Burqa. Do you think it's...
Are you going to say, why did you do this?
No. So, I'm saying comedy always works. So, was it a safe bet to produce a comedy film and take two guys that I have loved whenever I've seen them on screen, whether he was the lawyer and that gentleman was the judge, Saurabh Shukla and Arshad Varsi, to do Fraud Sahiya?
So I feel like no story is a safe bet because you never know what will click and what won't. But yeah, with them together, we definitely knew that it's going to we won half the battle. So I hope it works because we've really worked hard, and I hope the film works.
The writers have worked really hard as well.
Kanishk, yes, Kanishk, if you could just give credit to the writers, I believe they are also here. Sharad Tripathi and Amal, huge shout out going to you guys.
I have to say, Soren, I have to say that you know, I've done enough of comedy in my life, and invariably sometimes you come across certain scenes and certain films, part of certain films that you really love. Like for me, the Golmaal 3, the first half is by far the funniest I've seen. It's hilarious. In this movie, there are scenes written by these guys which is absolutely hilarious, and a very new, fresh take on comedy, which I was very amused, and I thoroughly enjoyed. Because very difficult to do that, let me tell you that, because it's difficult writing, and it's very difficult to enact it and all that. And I loved it, and when you guys see it, you'll know what I'm talking about. I don't even have to tell you what scene it is. You'll see it and you'll say, I've never seen this before. So it's beautifully, very well written, great fun, great comedy. Some seriously, I mean, verbose comedy, which I've never done too often.
You know, Kanish, जो मैंने सवाल लिखा छोड़ देता हूँ मैं वो, because I'm going to take a cue from what Arshad just said. Now, Arshad has acted, like he mentioned, in some absolutely legendary comic films. Jolly LLB, we spoke about Golmaal. Saurabh Shukla साहब तो मतलब यार वो कल्लू मामा के रोल में भी कॉमेडी कर रहे थे, right? ऐसे एक्टर्स को कन्विंस करना मुश्किल था, or you had such a taut script that you knew that they're going to say yes?
You know, actually, with the script Amal and Sharad submitted, technically 90% of the job was done there. रही बात अरशद सर को कहानी सुनाने की, we had gone to Wahi.
Script जब आ गई थी आपके पास, you knew that it was going to be Arshad.
100%, मतलब it was a unanimous decision कि यार ये कौन होगा, तो सबको पता था कि अरशद वारसी ही होना चाहिए. हम लोग वाही गए, सर शूट कर रहे थे. I think पंचगनी में ही वो शूटिंग, पंचगनी और वाही. We went there. संडे को बुलाया, 12 बजे हम लोग पहुंच गए. राइटर्स भी थे, दिशा, मी, डायरेक्टर, एवरीबडी. और आधे नरेशन में अरशद सर जो है सो गए. आई डोंट नो इफ ही रिमेंबर्स दिस और नॉट. यार हमने बोला ये तो प्रॉब्लम हो गई, अब क्या करें. वापस आए बड़े मायूस. अगले दिन सर का फ़ोन आया, यार मैं पूरी रात शूट कर रहा था, सुबह तक शूट कर रहा था, इसलिए आंख लग गई, फिर आओ सुनाओ. हमने फिर सुनाई. ही सेड डन. फर्स्ट डे ही सेड डन. तो हम लोग जो डरे हुए थे, वो एक्चुअली बेचारा आदमी पूरी रात काम कर रहा है, सोया नहीं है, हम लोग तो डर गए.
आज भी कुछ ऐसा ही हाल है अरशद साहब का, because he's been up from 4 o'clock, बच्चों की ड्यूटी, and then he's here now. Right, amazing.
सौरभ शुक्ला जी heard the script, he really liked it, but his reason for saying yes was something different. He said दिशा प्रोड्यूस कर रही है, मैं कर रहा हूँ, बात खत्म.
क्या बात है?
Am I right?
Wow.
Rest everything fell in place. I mean, सारा ने फोन पे कहानी सुनी, 4 मिनट में उसने हाँ कर दी.
कमाल की बात है.
We were lucky to have.
Sir, you want to add something? Ji. Yes, it's special. It's your first baby. Amazing. And of course, the gentleman now who's standing on stage, जिनके लिए सबसे मुश्किल काम था, because there you have the iconic moves of Urmila Matondkar. Bro, did you ever fall into that trap कि यार मैं जैसे होता है ना कि कुछ गानों के साथ you end up taking the signature step, right? So were you like thinking कि signature step रखना है Ellie and Arshad के लिए, or you said that I'm going to do something completely fresh?
Well, basically, I'll tell you.
माशाल्लाह की आवाज़ है यार आपकी.
Oh, okay,
full
thank
bass.
So basically, I'll just tell you, it's
थोड़ा सा bass कम करो यार.
So it's just a dream come true, when you recreate songs and which is already a cult, and when you're redeveloping it, it's like, जैसे when you go clubbing or when you are in a party or where the old song plays and you just dance. So I don't think about all these things कि किससे best होना चाहिए या it's a task for me. I just play the music, whatever comes naturally. And when you have a performer like Ellie Evram, it's Sone Pe Suhaga and Arshad Baito, it's like, making him dance was a dream come true because we have grown watching all his songs, and Aak Mare is
grown
like, grown matlab from teenage till
of course
maybe like a mature
from
guy.
Teenage.
So yeah.
I asked Adil कि Arshad sir का call time क्या होगा गाने पे? He said 1:30. I said यार 1:30 shoot कितने बजे करेंगे? बोले 1:30. I said Arshad sir गाना कब डांस कब सीखेंगे? अरे वो Arshad sir है यार, छोड़ना. He came, he started performing.
All right, but importance अब आपको मिलने वाली है from our wonderful friends in the media. देखिए मेरे जो सवाल थे मैं पूछ चुका हूँ, लेकिन I'm sure कि आपके तीर जो हैं अब आने वाले हैं, and I know that ज़्यादातर सवाल जो हैं वो शायद फिल्म के आसपास ना हो, so please if you could just stick to questions around the film. जी आप कुछ कह रही हैं, तेजी बोल दीजिए. All right, so questions.
अर्शद जी आपके सामने.
अर्शद जी आपके सामने.
अर्शद जी सवाल ये है कि रियल लाइफ में आपने कभी सोचा कि
12 बीवियां
होनी चाहिए आपके पास, देन आपकी लाइफ कुछ और होती?
And adding to that question, मरिया क्या कहेगी?
दिख रहा है पागल है
ओके ये जो
एक संभालने नहीं जाती मेरे से.
ओके ये जो 12 बीवी है वो 12 एक्टर भी हैं इस फिल्म में.
12 क्या?
वो एक्टर भी हैं इस आपके साथ में फीचर करती हैं.
भाई ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन है, मेरे को समझ नहीं आया ये.
इस सवाल को डिकोड करके दे.
12 बीवियां मतलब
एक्टर है यार, क्या बकवास कर रहा है? ऑफ कोर्स एक्टर है.
क्योंकि
क्या तुमको क्या लगा मैंने 12 बार शादी की क्या फिल्म के लिए?
नहीं, हम देखते हैं कि लोग एक एक्टर के साथ में भी कभी कभी उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होती, लेकिन आपने 12 एक्टर के साथ में
अच्छा तो मतलब एक छुपा हुआ सवाल में सवाल.
तो ये बताइए कि ये
नहीं, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. मुझे ख्याल से मैंने इतना काम किया और मुझे आज तक कभी भी मेरे किसी भी को स्टार के साथ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. नो नेवर. या
12 बीवी एक दूसरे से मिलती हैं
फिल्म में नहीं, बिकॉज अगर क्लाइमैक्स में. अब तुमको मैं पूरी कहानी बता दूं. तो क्या होता है स्टार्टिंग में ये
नहीं ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. कहां से आ रहा है अगला सवाल? अच्छा आप ही का है?
हाँ जी.
ओके
एली जी सवाल ये कि कैसे रही अंडरस्टैंडिंग अरशद जी के साथ में? हम जितना उनको प्रेस में देखते हैं बहुत ही अच्छी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, बहुत ही अच्छा ह्यूमर है, तो आप बताइए आपके साथ में कैसा रहा? पैसे तो शायद
या क्या आपको वो सरकास्टिकली कुछ बोलते थे? मतलब वाज ही ह्यूमरस विद यू आल्सो?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डांस विद अर्शद एंड देन आल्सो डू दिस वन सीन जो हमें किया है. बहुत हिलेरियस सीन है जो या आई मीन वी हैड अ ग्रेट लाफ्टर. या मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था. और एक्चुअली I mean, I've also always admired Arshad's work, and especially like in Munna Bhai. I really love him there. So मुझे और मेरे father he also is like a big fan of Arshad. So he got so happy जब मैंने अपने घर वाले को बताया कि I'm shooting this one scene also with Arshad. So yeah, they got very happy and excited. but yeah. So yeah, it was great.
All right. Yeah, she does.
Yeah, I've dubbed myself.
Oh, that's again amazing, by the way.
She's publicizing it here.
Okay, more questions, sir? Okay, yes, ma'am. There's a
Arshad,
question coming. Arshad on your left.
Arshad, hi. The director has recently said that he would like to distance himself from the movie, and this is not his movie. This is not his vision. What would you like to say on that?
That's his vision. अब नहीं बोलूँगा मैं. Say, I don't know. I mean, see, you know what happens is everybody has their own perspective in life and their own beliefs in life, and that's his, and that's absolutely fine if he feels that way. I personally feel that he's done a pretty good job of the film. It is a nice film. It's a film. It's a funny film, and I think he should have been here. He will be applauded for what he's done, and you must bow down and be grateful and graceful enough when you've done something and people appreciate it, or even if they don't. And if they don't appreciate it, you must own it. And either ways, I think you should be humble enough to come and say thank you very much. So I wish he had done that. That would have been nice.
It's a great answer. All right. You still have another question, right?
Also, Arshad, when we have these iconic songs been recreated, Aankh Mare has been a huge, it's been grabbing a lot of eyeballs. And now even this song has been remixed. There are always two versions to these remix songs. There are one section of people who think that song should not be recreated, old classic should not be tampered with. What are your thoughts on that?
मैं एक चीज क्लियर कर दूं कि ये थोड़ा टेक्निकल है. रीमिक्स और रिक्रिएशन अलग होते हैं. रीमिक्स होता है जब आप एक ही जो ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग गाना है उसके आप बीट्स चेंज कर देते हैं. यू प्रॉब्ली मेक इट अ हाई टेम्पो सॉन्ग. रिक्रिएशन तब होता है जब नए लिरिक्स भी जुड़ जाते हैं. यू आर रिक्रिएटिंग द सॉन्ग, यू प्रॉब्ली रिटेन द सिग्नेचर पार्ट ऑफ द सॉन्ग. Like in this case, the Chamma Chamma, the lyrics will be different. Arshad?
See, I feel progression is very important, and you must get into that space. It could be in any form, technology or art. I think if you get a chance to recreate something and make it more interesting for the newer generation to like it, go ahead and do it. I mean, I would like to see another version of Sholay right now. You know what I mean? It's great to do that. Why not? Yeah, I mean, it's great fun. I was so happy when I got to know about Aankh Mare and Rohit told me about Aankh Mare. I said, good, yeah, it's a good song. And you can see the difference. People are enjoying it. There's no harm in spreading joy. That's my idea. So if a song is recreated for a whole new generation to enjoy it, there is absolutely no harm doing it. Please go ahead and do it.
More questions?
दिशा जी आपके
किधर से? अच्छा.
आप एक इस फिल्म के प्रोड्यूसर हैं और आपके डैडी हमने देखा है बहुत अच्छे डायरेक्टर भी हैं, ढेरों सारी बेहतरीन फिल्में की हैं. तो हम इन फ्यूचर में आपको देखेंगे लाइक अरशद एंड एली जी को डायरेक्ट करते हुए ऐसी, या कोई ऐसे हम आपको डायरेक्टर भी देखेंगे?
नहीं,
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
ये बहुत कम बोलती है. हम लोग को बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा. एक्शन कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा. ना कहानी सुनाएगी, ना एक्शन बोलेगी, ना कट बोलेगी, कुछ नहीं बोलेगी.
Hi.
But I did a scene with Ellie and I loved it and I want to do a film with her. I would love to do one mad film with her. She's completely nuts. I was surprised, right? You're quite
Thank
shocked.
you, Bhola ji.
I did not expect it. I swear on God, I'll be honest, I did not expect her to be so funny. Sorry, he was saying something.
Okay. So the song has a crazy energy. How was the energy on the set while shooting the song?
Oh, it was hot. I'm not talking about the weather. I'm talking about her. It was awesome. I'm not kidding. It was awesome. I walked inside and I was like, oh my God, what's happening? Because there was a lot of energy. I'm not kidding. You can see it in the song. Great choreography, superb music, and one awesome dancer. What do you expect? It has to be great.
Do you have anything to say?
Arshad, why don't you just say that thing that you just told me outside? कि अगर energy बहुत ही कमाल की होती है, whether it's the song or the people that you're working with, it automatically shows on screen.
I say something and I forget. We were talking about, I was bartering some gyan. So
Good gyan.
No, good
सुन रहा था मैं अच्छी तरीके से.
Actually, good gyan, it'll help people. Which Ellie will totally understand what I'm saying. You know what happens when you dance, right? So it is very important for you to enjoy yourself, what you're doing, rather than do it like a job. For example, we enjoy Shami Kapoor used to enjoy watching him, right? Now I really think that his rhythm sense is not very good. But we think he's a great dancer purely because he loved what he was doing. Govinda for another person, he's like that. The whole idea is that when you are having a blast in what you're doing, and you're doing it with the heart and soul and enjoying it, it totally reflects on the audience. You look at it and you say, He's enjoying it, I'm enjoying it. She's enjoying it, I'm enjoying it. That's the whole fun of it. So you got to really enjoy what you're doing. Not do it like a job.
Yeah, absolutely true. I agree.
अर्शद जी
अर्शद आपने जस्ट अभी कहा कि आपको मौका मिलेगा, आप चाहते हैं कि शोले का दोबारा रीमेक बने।
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
आपने जस्ट
एग्जांपल था।
एग्जांपल दिया।
अब मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है वो ये पूछेंगी कि आप शोले में कौन सा रोल करना चाहेंगे।
कौन सा किरदार है अगर आप
सच्ची में यही सवाल है आपका?
बिल्कुल।
अरे क्या बात है, वाओ सर, कौन सा रोल सांबा के अलावा?
बसंती? No. Sholay has already been made. So, yeah. Shan is another one which I like. These are films, I don't know. But one should make all these films. And any role is good, yeah. Any role is good. It's a good director, good film. See, that's exactly, I'll give you another reason for this film also. If you have a Prakash who asks you for a film, you don't really bother about the story, script, anything. You do it because you know it's going to be right. So that's how it is. So sometimes you just don't question.
Sir, comedy का style बदलता है क्या? Like when you perform in a film?
दो तरीके होते कॉमेडी के, अच्छे और बुरे। बहुत कम लोग अच्छी करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग बुरी करते हैं।
नहीं, मैं कह रहा हूँ जिस तरीके की फिल्म आपने की हैं, whether it is acting in a गोलमाल or it is acting in, जैसे इश्किया में भी I thought there was a certain sense of humor.
Comedy has it is, you're right. Every एक genre नहीं होता, एक ज़माने में हुआ करता था, लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं है. Today if you really go to see 8 out of 10 movies are comedy. Today if you really go to see all your leading men do comedy. Everybody does comedy. So yes, it is pretty vital in a film at the moment what I see. I personally feel Akshay Kumar is brilliant in comedy. And yes, the style has changed from the time. Yes, it has. Today is different. Today it has to be more normal. You can't be too caricature about it.
अर्शद जी, फ्रॉड सैया में कितना बिलीव करते हैं आप? मतलब
बिल्कुल नहीं बिलीव करता है। Absolutely नहीं। कहाँ पागल हो? कौन बिलीव
क्या
करेगा?
सवाल लेके आ रहा है ये बंदा, मजे आ रहे हैं मेरे को।
मैं तुम्हारी मम्मी से बात करूंगा मैं। तमीज ऐसे ख्यालात रखते हो तुम?
क्योंकि फिल्म का नाम है इसलिए पूछा मैंने।
सी मैं ये इस फिल्म का चक्कर क्या है ना, ये बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग कहानी है। बेसिक स्टोरी लाइन जो है ना बहुत मज़ेदार है। एक इट्स ऑनेस्ट, द फैक्ट इज दैट यस इट इज ऑल्सो इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम अ ट्रू स्टोरी। देयर इज अ गाय, तो तुम मुझसे सवाल पूछो, तुमको टिप्स दे देगा वो, मैं तो नहीं दे पाऊंगा। सो इट इज एक्चुअली समबडी हैज एक्चुअली डन दिस। सो वो सारी बातें हैं, एंड जो स्क्रिप्ट है एज आई सेड इट्स ह्यूमरस। सो
भाई आपकी शादी हुई है वैसे?
अभी नहीं हुई सर।
अच्छा,
तुम्हारी हरकतों से लगता होगी भी नहीं। अरे सवालों से ऐसा लगता नहीं होगी।
ओके ओके, थैंक यू
जी। और सवाल अब कोई पूछेगा नहीं?
तू पूछ यार, तू पूछ।
है क्या इनकी सबसे ज्यादा लाइक किलकारियां निकली थी? आप में से किसी को कोई सवाल पूछना है? All right, so yes, thank you so much for all the questions, and now our photographer friends definitely would love a picture. First, if you could get the entire crew together with the cast for a group picture. Wow! Arshad and Ellie?
हाँ मैं बोल रहा, मैं परेशान, मैं